Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Hyundai Sonata SE in Phantom Black. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 87,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90713A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.